Today I'm going to be water cooling my PC because this fan is like really loud when it's like hot. So I kind of want to try and get water cooling sorted. So I have Corsair and then like some other stuff to put in it, and then yeah. So when it's done, I'll make another video. I've just removed the heatsink and the fan, and then obviously I had to take out the RAM just so I could move it. But yeah, so there's the CPU. So now we're gonna place this onto there, then add the fans to it, and then this is gonna be some cool PC. So right now I've almost finished setting up the AIO fans onto the radiator, and I've removed the fan, the original cooler fan. So now we just have to fit this onto the CPU and then onto the like top of the PC case. And then once that's done, then I'm done. Right, so now I think I've made it work. So I still need to plug in, there's one more cable, which is to make this work. I don't know if that lights up, but I'm pretty sure it's just white. I mean, I know it lights up, but I don't think it's RGB or anything. That one, that should spin, and then yeah, that should also turn on. But I'm gonna also buy a new fan here soon, just because like that's a bit cheap and like tacky. It came with it, but I don't think it was, it's not branded or anything, so I don't know. And then I'm gonna get a new RAM, which is also gonna be RGB RAM, because like why not? And also I want 64 gigs because that's 32, which ain't bad, but like, you know, more is better. Anyways, 3, 2, 1. It works. It works. Wow. This RGB is so bright. What? Wait, as you can see, the fans are spinning. The fans both work. Nice and cool. And then that. This isn't doing anything right now, but the fans and everything else are. So yeah, that's what I need to set up. That's probably what that noise is. So I've put this in there, which is a fan. And then I've connected this by taking out that. So now it looks a bit more like simple. Then I just need to like plug this in and then like put the cables away somewhere, and it should be done. So from a couple like cable managements and some other stuff, I think I've done it. So now we're going to turn it on and just see how it works. We already know from before that this works and the lights work obviously, but we're not sure about this, so we're going to test it now because we've just plugged it in. 3, 2, 1. It works. Now you can hear all the water going through it. That is so cool, man. That is so cool. Oh my days. This is my first ever water-cooled PC build. Gone quite well. So yeah. Wait. There's one more? No? Let's go. So we finally completed the PC build of adding an AIO water cooler. So yeah. So it's not an RGB like water cool fan, whatever, but that's fine because we've got a blue light. So this is alright. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if I should do like any other videos, like what I should do. And yeah.